Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's shift the pulse of stock market. So, we'll discuss the index level for coming week. Along with that, I will discuss some important news update of the stock also, and we'll discuss some important stock market news. So to know the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular index update and yes, stock in news update also. So stock in news update I will just discuss. Even in starting the video I want to discuss is its important update of that stock, and after that I will analyze the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank chart and will predict the levels for coming week and all about the stock market I am going to start to discuss. First of all, let me update about the stock which is NTPC Green Energy IPO, on which I have already made the video 1 month back on this. Is this a big IPO? And I will give that video in I button, and I will give this video in end screen also. Please go through this video, it is very important. I have made 1 month back, but now the new update is that NTPC Green Energy IPO has filed the RHP, and now they are going to come up with this IPO. NTPC Green Energy Limited will hit the Indian market on 19th November, and it will close on 22nd November, means 19 to 22nd of November the IPO will be open for the investors. And the second thing, that NTPC Green Energy, the price band has, they have decided the price band of 102 102 to 108, means 102 to 108 per equity share. This is the price band for you all, the investor. And this IPO is a 10,000 crore that I already discussed in that video, and please go through that video. You should have the shareholder, for shareholder quota I have made that video, which is actually I discussed in that time only. If you want to buy the share, if you want the shareholder quota, you have to buy the NTPC share. NTPC is the owning company, means this NTPC Green Energy is the wholly subsidiary of the NTPC. And NTPC is, if you are holding NTPC share, even one share, you are going to get the shareholder quota that I already discussed. And this date has gone on the 13th November. I hope you have watched the video and bought the share if you want to apply for the IPO, and you did not miss the uh, date for having shareholder quota, which was November 13th. I hope you might have having this share before November 13. If you have not bought, now you cannot get the shareholder quota of the NTPC Green Energy IPO. So, in short, I can discuss this much only. Please go through the video for the NTPC share and buying level for the. But actually, that was old video. Now price is different now from that time. That listing date is, I guess, 27th November. Yes, 27th November is the listing date of the NTPC of the NTPC Green Energy IPO. So this or nothing else I can, important thing I have discussed, this price band and the dates and record date and listing date is 27th November. So this was whole update of the NTPC Green Energy IPO. And fundamental and technical levels, technical level actually, now not that I think it might have changed all, but yes, fundamental and the information about the NTPC Green Energy, that I have discussed in that video. One two more thing, stock market, about the stock market, that market is falling. I always discuss the reasons which actually last time I also discussed that the FII heavy selling, and that happened in last week also. And the same thing, the FIIs are selling heavily, and the offload of their investment, their money is outflowing from the market, Indian market. Second thing, ads is, it was I discussed in last video that earning is not that good. It's not actually earning is disappointing from even bigger large cap company also not posting good results. And even Asian Paint 40 to 40 50% profit was low, down. And matlab, every large cap company means, mostly not every but yes, mostly large cap company also posting very disappointing results, disappointing quarter of September quarter I'm talking about. So this is also made the market very uh, uh, anxious about the economy, Indian economy. So the quarterly results are not satisfactory, not good at all, and that is affecting the market. Two reason was very actually a very important reason. And baki to global scenario what is going on, that is also important, that I want to discuss, that is interest rate cut. As some news has come that the Fed FOMC meeting, Fed Reserve said that now not important to cut the rate now this time in December meeting, in upcoming meeting. So this one news also came, but some good thing also happening. So let's see what happens in next week. But two three things is important for to discuss ki what is going to actually happen in the stock market, what can be the level where stock market will hold and will start to give some actually significant reversal at least. So uh, these three four reason earning. So the earning may what happened, and in earning is now closed now. All company has posted their result now. This was last week was the last week for the posting result, and now no result is going to, I think no, yes, no result is going to actually, no company is going to post any result. Or this now after 15th November, means from next week no result. So it will little bit a pause, it is going to a little bit give some pause. और it market may consolidate because result का जो एक pressure आ रहा था, that is not going to come at least till January. as January में it is going to start the the companies are going to start the Q3 results. So that is actually 1 or 2 months it will be like little pause. Or if any good news coming, good thing happening, then we can see some good move in the market, either upside. Downside though, yes, it is already happening. Downside, the Nifty 50 is continuously breaking the new support. So let's go to the chart, quickly go to the chart, and we'll discuss in detail. I will discuss in short, but yes, you have to watch full video. What I want to actually share with you all, that yes, see this chart, I have drawn this line. And these level I will discuss, but first let me analyze what happened last week and what is been happening since 1 or 2 months. You will say this is the all time high. Now I will again tell you the new percentage, how much my how much our market has fallen already. Every week I am discussing, and every week the percentage of the falling is actually adding in. mm, yes, so this time from here to here is almost more than 10%, means more than 10%, around 11 10 to 11% fall already done. already happened. So 10 to 11% is a very very healthy correction, I can say. But yes, it may happen even more than that. So यहाँ पे here it was a very strong support, which is 23,000. See, earlier we have discussed this head and shoulder. See, earlier we have discussed this head and shoulder pattern breakdown, which happened this day, and this already done. And from there, when it is continuously falling and came till here, which was the new low of the Nifty 50, and this is 23,484. 23,484 is not the end, because this level was very important, which I have discussed in my last video. 23,800 around I have given the support, which has been broken in last week. And this day, I guess, yeah, 13th of November, this 23,800 support here, 23,800 support has gone on 13 November. And after that, even this day, not very big fall, but yes, it has touched a new low of 23,484. This is a new low. तो न्यू लो मीन्स अभी इसने प्रॉपरली सपोर्ट नहीं लिया है. यस, इट हैज गिवन द क्लोजिंग above 23,500, which is actually okay, but still we cannot say that it is has it is the bottom, or it is going to take support here or whatever. But yes, this can be a very good support again, which I already given last week. If you remember, I will give that video link. This 23,300 support is again, Nifty 50 is going to do to test here, maybe testing on Monday only, or even after that. But 23,300 Nifty may test. But as this level, which is 23,500, yeah, I will give this uh, this yes. So this is also a 200 EMA. You can see this line here. This is also a 200 EMA, which is uh, 50/50 is testing here and taking support also, which is 23,532 500. 23,500 also a support, but it is, if it is broken, which is already broken, but yes, it has not closed below that. So this is okay, but we cannot say कि it is not going to break, or it will take support and will take reversal. We cannot actually assure this. It may happen that this level also, Nifty 50 break, Nifty 50 may break and touch this 23,300. 23,300 I feel is imminent for next week. But yes, after that, what will happen? This is the big question. Okay, miss 23,300 नहीं भी टच करता है, तो 23,500 वी होप दैट 200 EMA से ये रिवर्सल ले ले. नहीं भी लेता है, तो अगर 23,300 से भी इफ इट्स टेकिंग रिवर्सल, दैट इज गुड. बट breaking this 23,300 again will be a big shock for the stock market investor. That after that, again, it is going to give a big fall, which I can see. The If we see this election day low, which was very heavy, this day, heavy selling off happened, and having fall, that heavy fall happened, that which was this day on election reserve day, which is the low was 21,300. So 21,300 may also come if Nifty 50 is not respecting this 23,300 level. So, but still I'm not jumping on this level now. I'm not giving any support here, but I'm just for information, I'm giving this level, which is 21,000 to 300, 21,300 may come after breaking these two important levels. सो दिस वाज एक्चुअली आई दिस विल आई विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट वीक. देखते हैं क्या होता है. ये ऐसा नहीं कि कल ही आ जाएगा. सो लेट्स वेट फॉर दैट. लेट्स टेक हैव पेशेंस फॉर दैट, एंड लेट्स वेट don't jump on this level now. Now we are taking only this support which is 23,300. And yes, रेजिस्टेंस की तो मैं क्या ही बात करूं, बिकॉज रेजिस्टेंस तक तो निफ्टी 50 जा ही नहीं रहा है. बट स्टिल आई कैन सी द बिग resistance for the nifty 50 is 23,900 or 800. We can say मतलब 23,900 around can be a resistance, immediate resistance for the nifty 50. And presently it is trading at 23,532. LTP is 23,532. So all in all, if we discuss the level, that can be Nifty 50 support 23,300, 350 also. Nifty 50 level for next week support can be 23,300 and resistance 23,900. So this was final level, but yes, I already discussed some more important level which you can see if you will see the proper whole, if you will see a whole video. Now let's discuss the Nifty Bank quickly. As you all know, my in my last videos, I am always making this range, this box for the Nifty Bank, because Nifty Bank is trading within this range. It is consolidating within this range. And see, last till last week, this was low, this was low, this was low, and this day, which is 13th of November, falling, great big fall happened. And this day it has broken this support. You can see here very nicely, this has broken also and given closing also below the support line. So this support has gone on last week on 13th of November, and next day on 14th of November, as 15th November was a holiday, so market was not functioning. So this day on 14th November, it was also means moderate, not very big fall, but yes, it has touched. See, this day low was 49,900, but this day low was 49,939. Means 40,000 49,900 का low को इसने रिस्पेक्ट किया. और दिस डे ऑन 14th November, it has not broken that low 49,900, and it has closed above that 50, above 50,180. And low is also maintained above the last low. We can say Nifty Bank is much better than Nifty 50, but yes, it is still already broken this support. So I can see the next support, which I can see earlier, it was also 49,650 around this 49,650. थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ गया है. Yes, 49,650. 49,650 even earlier, here also we can say here many time, and here it was resistance. Many time it has taken support here on 49,650. So the next support I can see, which is number 49,650, but this is not the final support. I am telling you, this is not the final support. If Nifty Bank is not performing well, it may even go below than that, this 650. But for the, as I'm talking short term, I can give the level only for the next week, which first support I can see, which is 49,650. But yes, this support is broken, which is a sad news. Or now this can be a resistance, which is 50,375 or 400. We can say 50,400 actually was the support last time, and that will be the resistance now, 50,400. 50,400 is immediate resistance, which actually I think it has touched, no, it has touched, yes, on Thursday 14th November, it has touched, even we went beyond that, but came back and closed below that level. Means it has not it has not been broken till now. So we can see the Nifty Bank may test this resistance level next week also. But yes, if it's breaking this resistance, then it will come in a comfortable, means comfortable zone में आ जाएगा. But below this, it is actually negative. So, what can be the Nifty Bank scenario for the next week? We can see, as as I told, this support and this resistance, means Nifty Bank level for next week. Support can be 49,650, and resistance, immediate resistance, can be 50,000, 50,400. And yes, breaking this, it will go up, up. In short, I can discuss this much: the NTPC update, NTPC Green Energy IPO update, and some important reasons, and the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank support and resistance. All that I have discussed in this video, in short video. So finally, so I'll repeat again the level for the Nifty 50: support 23,300 and resistance 23,900, and Nifty Bank support 49,650 and immediate resistance is 50,400. So let me know if you are applying for the NTPC Green Energy IPO or not, or any question regarding any regarding this IPO or stock market news, anything regarding stock market or any stock, any index. You can comment below or DM me also in Instagram and Twitter. IDs in my bio. Subscribe the channel for regular index and stock market update and stock in news update. Signing off.